bit now about when you know the fact that Stonebwoy is learning from the best.
Thank you.
And the best is Shatta Wale.
Okay.
Why pay attention since Shatta Wale? But see, the only thing I will tell Stonebwoy is say, if you want to act like the master, then be ready for the consequences.
Hey yo. Hey yeah. Ghana entertainment industry. Hey yeah. Stonebwoy tweet echo PM ewo United Showbiz. Na Edru Arnold Asamoah Beidu so no say onche na adwene emfa Stonebwoy tweet ho no. Ensama Arnold kan ye ene kwan ya Arnold fa so eso Stonebwoy kon emia ye wo show no so. Me yam crash me. Arnold. Adai wale apeka kran na say wale atwoma ba esema na. Eh yaw. Ana rich men now more Shatta movement obi afa chire akohu Arnold na. Because frankly speaking, me who say Arnold kasasa no me wanwa. Because Arnold ye nipa onya wale a say no si mia de call. No, only wale live on United Showbiz a danin tokwa. Arnold. E wom say o kan create do. Because ye showbiz no ade ba ko higher kese pa ne se ntimi nka no kre. So bi ye bibi na sabi obi sua firi ni ho a e wo say ye bold near kase asomasi na ye saade we enti ena wo ya which means empedifo si do di ache no sua de odi kan nante and said the Arnold si chire mu no sabi wale game this game no untimi beat wale wo say yen kan ho asem yen nye trend wo yen control space no untimi back to back. And one thing Granny say, Wale any sakode ne kwaku smoke event no ne one activity se course so many bolare videos and in your mano time e ka ho bi anu tina saa na nu masem no akwa se bi maada no senya saa pa dia and I think say kokuma nu kra kan o show ni so kenya saa pa dia ka asem enya asem bia and besides me ka show ni mpa so nya me no ye nyina enim nipa or direct tweet no amomo eno de ubetimi refuse say Stonebwoy amo obi edin but so se enka no krepa dia ye nyina enim ba bia na or direct subliminal snacko but Arnold said o si mia aboy kon ne de menye sure say ni nua ma ne ba o matwa ma wo hey next week open market on the wall. Next week me say market on the wall. Even say host na nkofa asem we kra ma e ma na be kwa twe asem na ba no mu so be jira not con say hey papa get na wo part say no because that part na Arnold can say Stonebwoy sua sa de we every Shatta Wale ho no sa statement ne nko ano Arnold you ready Arnold you ready share coming Saturday a man in Uber will show this.
Mebo quick smoke abaso for events now put it up. So I want events and kawin na anything. Na Stonebwoy so concert. I think say August more baby 20 something August.
27th.
Yes. And so now kind of emoji so concert 15th August.
Wale so
August 1 Shatta Fest. And now quick see at me also I publicize say yeah also bought somewhere around May.
Okay.
UK. So
no shocking me pa.
Yeah.
400.
UK for the see am go show money for UK. Yeah. I want
so omo ma bo nyina ya bo ma so omo so omo prepare to born no so no. Yeah, we show omo well.
Yeah.
Nye person me bonite wo no. Stonebwoy enya akola. We were industry move for quite a long time. Wa Ghana experiences. Very well exposed, extremely intelligent. Into no onimde na oye. Obi ka chem say na Stonebwoy did you know what he was about or what he was doing behind Bakonobwa? He knew exactly what he was doing. Na it be about timing, it be about intent, and the keke ka ho. Yes, no kre. because of how experienced he is in this industry, and how intelligent he is, only time in chrono so yes I post. Na not done echo. Industry near woman. Ye industry near woman. A attention driven industry.
Oh, what's here? It you manipulate you.
Very simple. And guess what? No Stonebwoy, no, based on the level of intelligence. Now when him say platform X on half of them are gullible. The other group no agenda settings for.
Okay.
Others no their honey. So on the kind of audience are almost our platform. And on so the BB or the BB start to when they be generating. He's been there. He's been on that platform for years. I could throw it, and so no nim there all year. So yes, I agree with everybody else who will say the timing, because the opposed year no coincided with BB AC with two artists, two big artists. But because on also nim say any menu nim say the industry attention driven industry no on nim the year at that particular moment because impressed. Or yes, I post new year, you know, to me say, oh, generate the news throughout the week.
Yeah.
And yet, artists back when you be on Casa, they be careful, you better take attention if you could smoke. A bear Stonebwoy. It's been weeks, but here we are talking about Stonebwoy tweets, no, yeah. I am telling you. Yes, I am telling you. But you know the interesting bit. No, that's when you say it's as
oh, yeah, gospel musician.
But Christo. Mwamu read the Bible no. Yeah, come. Attention. Don't say yes. I say kukuomu yale wo kukuomu.
Empress. The interesting bit now about when you know the fact that Stonebwoy is learning from the best.
Thank you.
And the best is Shatta Wale.
Okay.
Why pay attention since Shatta Wale?
I
say he was seeing enemy who they are in that show.
No, what's yes?
He is learning from the best. You were on my way, Mona Stonebwoy calling BET. That same period now, Shatta Wale saw on the Ghana Music Awards on the Bulldog.
No shit.
Fun news thing now. And we all me say I don't remember the monumental BBC yet. A series na yin can was na Wale koye life no the powder born in him. The next 2 days
RNQ the birthday no.
The next day
no wa funny.
No wa fa trains
now for air bop powder.
Na ma for bop powder.
Oh susum October.
Like he is a mastermind when it comes to gaining the attention. Oh boy, oh your damn obeje. Opa ko je BBC and me be kan was the next day obey life.
No wa say.
So he is the master when it comes to major attention.
Everyone so soon.
So Stonebwoy say no. Why not? Why not? But see, the only thing I will tell Stonebwoy is say, if you want to act like the master, then be ready for the consequences. Because you see, when you make such a tweet or you make also a sort of total line, it comes with its own consequences. I'm not for being misinterpreted. I'm not for being agenda. Any the KK count. So why I already say this is the path I also want to chat. No, then be ready for the beba.
Okay.
Because we all know anytime while we also know the kind of conversation we have. And now the way we now you say you see the conversation. So me, I don't have a problem because you know you say industry. So one bibia one bibia because guess what? And then when to no kwana a man news no ko dia wo beka oni ye bia obeye in a generating news. And so he's very much aware. Say no, and then nyum to no kwana be Stonebwoy. And he says Shatta Wale do it over the years, including so Wale they are no Stonebwoy. So if this year 2026 ye bia, we don't have a problem. However, be ready. Be ready for the conversation. Men get emotional. No. Be ready. Yeah. No, of course. No, I'm only saying, we understand. We understand the terrain. So now we come over the period. Then you name no sir. But now, on also feel say, well, to hell with it. I also want to be sir.
And you should be ready for it.
And drive the attention to the BMA, then be ready for the conversation. if you can't kwasasem, if you can't say be ready say it comes with the territory because this is how we want it sasana person way. Because a couple of years ago, the Stonebwoy that we knew would have not even worried about them. Back when they torture signing and create the news based on that. But now he's saying, oh, if you did this a couple of years ago, you can do it. And that's fine. That's fine. But on your ready. Handless or mobile in your man will be a mere emotional if you call left. I'm being serious. I'm being serious. Yeah. Nobody should come and say anything.
He has never cried to
No, we're not saying you mean we don't mean. You know we don't mean literally.
That show.
Yes, you know. Alright, so let's go. Industry practice.
But be ready for the shade you're laying.
Exactly. Because once we are two on quantity, see, and then again, conversation be not having. So what do you be to social media? So you can't control
how people receive it
and react to it.
It's
what I mentioned. Say if it's what you want to do there, then be ready.
That's a poor bit in a page, not deleted.
From the look of things, no, me sure say Stonebwoy tweeting it there. The trend, you know, in young way. There be. Because na me adma coming Saturday. Assembly be soja e United Showbiz. Because enya ade an sama anotena ho kan no. Wa unim omude no ho be che no. Hwe. Nyame adoma Saturday me samom pe security e wo show this so. Me Bonah. Thanks a million for being part of today's episode of the Bonah Show. Don't forget to subscribe and be part of this bigger family. Onyankopon inhyira na onte nanim kyerɛ. Esha.